Introduction: Harnessing Wind Power.
Wind turbines are pivotal in generating clean electricity today. But how do they transform the simple force of wind into usable power? Join us for a step-by-step journey through the technology and science behind modern wind turbines, and discover how the wind you feel every day is turned into energy for homes and businesses.
Step 1. Capturing the wind.
Large blades mounted high on a tower catch the wind as it blows. Shaped like airplane wings, they use aerodynamic lift to spin, even in gentle breezes. The height and length of the blades help the turbine access stronger, steadier winds available at higher altitudes and maximize the capture of kinetic energy from moving air.
Step 2. Turning motion into rotation.
As the blades spin, they rotate a central shaft inside the nacelle, the housing at the top of the tower. This spinning shaft converts the wind's kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Most modern turbines use a gearbox to boost the shaft's slow rotation speed, making it fast enough to generate electricity efficiently.
Step 3. Generating electricity.
The rotating shaft connects to a generator inside the nacelle. As the shaft turns, the generator uses electromagnetic induction, a process where magnets move past coils of wire to produce electric current. This electricity is created as alternating current, AC, which is suited for transmission over power lines to homes and businesses.
Step 4. Controlling and optimizing output.
Modern turbines feature smart control systems that monitor wind speed and direction. They adjust the blade angle, or pitch, and rotate the nacelle, or yaw, to always face the wind correctly. These controls protect the turbine from damage in strong gusts and ensure the machine always generates the maximum practical amount of electricity.
Step 5. Delivering clean power.
The electricity generated is transmitted down the tower, where it passes through transformers to adjust the voltage for safe transport on the local grid. Wind turbines are often grouped in wind farms to supply significant amounts of renewable energy. This process produces no air pollution and helps reduce reliance on fossil fuels.
Conclusion: the power of wind energy.
Modern wind turbines are a remarkable fusion of engineering and science. By capturing the wind and converting it into electricity, these machines deliver clean, reliable power to millions of people worldwide, playing a vital role in the shift towards sustainable energy for the future.